Hey guys, it's Ivy, and we are going in Target to do some couponing hauls, couple of gift cards, and then we're gonna do some coupon matchups. So stay through the video; it's not gonna be long. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Okay, guys, we are gonna start with Summer's Eve, which I'm gonna grab 2 boxes of these for someone, and they are $1.79. If you buy 2 boxes, that take you up to $3.58. Take away this $1.50 coupon, you'll be paying $2.08 for 2 boxes, so $1.04 each. So I'm gonna grab 2 boxes of the Summer's Eve, and this is the coupon. Smart Source $1.30. Make sure you get the one for $1.79, because I see it's one right here that's new for $1.99, and there's another one for $1.79. So just look around, don't pick up the wrong one. Okay, so let's see if any more. They don't have any more. Okay, the toys basket, $4.69. We got a $2 off coupon. Make that $2.69 for 1 pack. And this is the coupon right here. Okay, that's the coupon right there. Retail me not $1.30. Still we're gonna do is the Mitchum. They are at $2.99. If you buy 3, you get a $5 gift card. 3 for $2.99 takes you to $8.97. If you already have a $5 gift card, use that, pay $3.97. If not, get the $5 gift card, go to your Ibotta app, submit it. For every Mitchum, you get $1 back. So you end up paying 97 cents for that Mitchum, and that is a great deal and a great rollover. And also submit it to Fetch. Okay, the Febreze is $2.99. And that is the Febreze Air Effects, though. So you need the small air effects, and they don't have them. Okay, these are $2.99, and I know they say light, but these do work. Buy one, get one free. You got to get them up to $3, but these $3 ones do work. I've just been getting mine at Walmart. It's a better deal in Walgreens for me. Okay, the Febreze Air right here is $3.99. It's the heavy traffic, good one. You got a coupon for buy one, get one free. So $3.99, you'll pay $2 a piece for each one of them. That's a good deal, but I won't be grabbing it. I already grabbed them at Dollar General. Okay, the next thing we're gonna go to is our freebie with a coupon. If you grab one of these at $2.99, the coupon goes to $3. These are absolutely free. So I have absolutely grabbed 3 of these. Make sure you get as many as possible. This is your stock up, guys. This has become your stockpile stock up, okay? Now look at this. They got a rack full of nothing but stuff that's on sale. So, oh my God, what's this? This average spraying hand soap and lotion pack was $5.99. Now it's $2.99. I'm gonna grab one of these. I actually like this soap, so I'm gonna grab 2, one for each washroom. And on the Target app, you get 10% off also. Okay, the Airwick Botanicals is $3.69. We have a $1.50 off coupon, making these $1 and so. So $3.69. This Airwick is Airwick. It says a $1.50 off on any one Airwick kit, scented oil starter kit, and this is scented oil. It is $3.69. Use the $1.50 off coupon, $2.10. Okay, we got $1.50. $1 off of Arm & Hammer. Use the $1 coupon. You end up paying $4.99 for a 67 low. That's a good deal, guys. I do buy this, but I actually like this one right here. This is the one I usually buy. Okay, next one honorable mention, or I'm going to pick up, is 4 Pantene at $3.99. And at $3.99, it'll come up to $15.96. You're going to use one of these $5 off of 3, and then you have $1 off one Pantene. That'll take $6 off. Once it takes $6 off, that'll take you down to $9.96. If you have a $5 coupon, use gift card, use the $5 gift card. If not, pay $5. It's no submit anywhere, but you can submit to Fetch and get some points for that. Okay, that's a great deal. I'm gonna grab it. Okay, Sweet Baby Ray's is $1.99. We have a $1 off coupon off of 2. Grab 2 of those. That'll take you down to $2.48 for both, or $1.20. $1.24. Now I wanted to grab these These will take you down to $1.19. But in Kroger, aka Food for Less, they are $1.99. That coupon is for $1, so you'll pay 99 cents for it. If you close for a Kroger or Food for Less, then grab those. I'm gonna grab 2 of these right here, and I'm gonna grab 1 of these. So, got it. If you have the Tyson, any Tysons right here, they are $6.99. But we just, if you look at my Dollar Tree video, then you'll see why not to buy those. And if you get them for free, get them for free. But that'll make them $5.99. Okay, guys, so we are in the Valentine's Day stuff for Target. They got tons of stuff left. So you guys know, as soon as Valentine's Day is over, this stuff will go on here and it will go on sale for dirt cheap. Okay, so start looking for the markdowns. It'll be 30%, then it'll get to 50, then 70, and then 90% off. Okay, so oh, look at that. That's cute. $4.99. That's expensive, but you got that favorite Valentine's. That'll be cute for a baby. Look at that. Bananas for you. What is that? Oh, it's chocolate. Oh wow, that's chocolate. Okay. And these are, all these candies are $2.99 right here. All of them, the Skittles. That's up bags of candy. It's not. And do kids even use Valentine's Day cards anymore? Look at that. I don't think they do, but they all $3.50. They are on sale. They do have them at Dollar Tree though. Okay, here's more Friendship Exchange candy cane characters. We got tons of stuff. And game day. Look at that. They getting ready for game day, guys. So, game day. And here is the household. They stocking up for income tax time. Usually at the beginning of the year, they start putting out big stocks of things. And you'll start seeing for, like, look at that, 30% off, so that's $139, so it's 30% off that. Oh, that's $139. That's the price of it. Huh. Okay. A lot of the baby stuff is on clearance. Now, this would have been a mention, but I'm not going to get it because it is way too expensive. But if you buy 3 of these, you get a $5 gift card. They're $4.99 and up. They do not have any of the $4.99s. They only have the $6.99s. So I'm not going to grab those, okay? For buy 3, get a free $5 gift card. See that? $6.99. That was actually going to be an honorable mention to you all. But if you can find the one for $4.99, grab 2 of those, and then grab 2 of the adult battery operated toothbrushes for $4.99. Use 2 of the $2 coupons for each one. Use the $5 gift card if you have one. If not, then roll it over, and for the toothbrushes, you submit to Ibotta and get $1 back for each one. Okay, guys, we are back from Target. And this was a fun haul because Target they haven't been too nice to us lately with couponing and all that stuff. I think we turned out pretty good today, so let's go over what we did. Right here, these are $1.79. You use the $1.50 off coupon, you buy 2, then you pay like $1.08 for each one. These, you all saw the clearance rack. These were $2.99, and I bought 2. They have a hand wash and a lotion in them. This was one of gift cards, and it was buy 4, get a $5 gift card. We used a $5 off 3 Pantene and one $1 Pantene out of the February P&G. I do not know which coupon this one came out of. I cut them up, guys, but if I mentioned in the video, then that's where it was from. Okay, these mentions right here, no coupon needed. Great deal. They were $2.99 a piece. They got up to $8 and something. You get a $5 coupon for the gift card for this, and then you get $1 back for every mention that you buy. I think it's up to 3 times, if I'm not mistaken, or 5. Check. Now, these are free everywhere you go. They were $2.99. We had a coupon for $3, so I picked up 2 of these. I am trying to add to my stockpile, so when I start buying more of these, then I'll have enough
more of the actual plugins. I'll have enough of these, so I'm happy they're giving them to us. And this botanical right here was $3.69, and I used a $1.50 off coupon. This is really great, y'all. I love these. Okay, so here you go. I have a $5 challenge in here for you guys that I did. Okay, I bought the 3 Mitchums and 2 of these plugins. I flipped a $5 gift card, and I got back a $5 gift card. So here you go. See that? $8.99. Then that was $9.51. There's the gift card for $5, and there is how much I paid out of dollar out of pocket, $4.51. So look at that. And I got back a $5 gift card. So we did earn our money back. So this was a 9-cent money maker right on the spot. And then don't forget to submit this to Ibotta, and don't forget Fetch, guys, because you can still scan and get points off Fetch for all of these. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this Target video. If you want to see more Target, let me know, and I will be doing a Target once a week if I can and if it's worthy of it. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.